Your teacher taught you correct English, but correct is not natural. Today, we fix that. Stay for phrase 17. Sentence 1. Instead of, I would like to ask, say, can I ask you something?
Can I ask you something?
Sentence 2. Instead of, I was wondering if you could help, say, can you help me real quick?
Can you help me real quick?
Sentence 3. Instead of, I am not able to attend, say, I cannot make it.
I cannot make it.
Sentence 4. Instead of, could you please repeat that, say, sorry, what was that?
Sorry, what was that?
Sentence 5. Instead of, I do not have sufficient time, say, I'm kind of in a rush.
I'm kind of in a rush.
Sentence 6. Instead of, I am very pleased to meet you, say, really nice to meet you.
Really nice to meet you.
Sentence 7. Instead of, would you like to accompany me, say, want to come with me?
Want to come with me?
Sentence 8. Instead of, I am experiencing difficulties, say, I'm having a hard time with this.
I'm having a hard time with this.
Sentence 9. Instead of, that is not my area of expertise, say, that is not really my thing.
That is not really my thing.
Sentence 10. Instead of, I would prefer not to, say, I would rather not.
I would rather not.
Halfway. Keep going. Sentence 11. Instead of, I am currently occupied, say, I've got a lot going on.
I've got a lot going on.
Sentence 12. Instead of, I was under the impression, say, I thought that.
I thought that.
Sentence 13. Instead of, could you elaborate, say, what do you mean exactly?
What do you mean exactly?
Sentence 14. Instead of, I find that amusing, say, that's actually really funny.
That's actually really funny.
Sentence 15. Instead of, I am in agreement, say, yeah, totally.
Yeah, totally.
Sentence 16. Instead of, I would like to express my gratitude, say, I really owe you one.
I really owe you one.
Sentence 17. Instead of, I am unable to recall, say, it's on the tip of my tongue.
It's on the tip of my tongue.
That's phrase 17. Nobody teaches this in school. Sentence 18. Instead of, I will contact you later, say, I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you.
Sentence 19. Instead of, I concur, say, I see exactly what you mean.
I see exactly what you mean.
Sentence 20. Instead of, it was a pleasure, say, we should do this again sometime.
We should do this again sometime.
Speed challenge. Ready? 1.
Can I ask you something?
2.
Can you help me real quick?
3.
I cannot make it.
4.
Sorry, what was that?
5.
I'm kind of in a rush.
6.
Really nice to meet you.
7.
Want to come with me?
8.
I'm having a hard time with this.
9.
That is not really my thing.
10.
I would rather not.
11.
I've got a lot going on.
12.
I thought that.
13.
What do you mean exactly?
14.
That's actually really funny.
15.
Yeah, totally.
16.
I really owe you one.
17.
It's on the tip of my tongue.
18.
I'll get back to you.
19.
I see exactly what you mean.
20.
We should do this again sometime.
Bonus. Instead of, I do not know what to say, I'm lost for words.
I'm lost for words.
Comment, real English if you finished.
Watch video 3 on your screen. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.